Okay, so now we are getting into PPC jobs. Let's try to understand what kind of requirements. Keep in mind, we also spoke about performance marketing, which is combination of all activities. So you can see that let's talk about PPC. I've selected PPC, an entry-level job on LinkedIn. And there is one company which is coming from PPC, Reach India, Noida. Let us check what they're looking for. They're looking for paid campaigns, right? They want you to start with paid campaign. Let it be Facebook, let it be LinkedIn, let it be Twitter, let it be Google Ads, let it be DV360. But they want you to start advertising, right? So straight from brand awareness campaign to engagement to lead gen, it's again very important. You can see that they want you to plan a campaign. They want you to do forecasting, and you see overseas existing campaign and make recommendations how to optimize it. Optimization is something which is very important. Analyzing trends and making data driven decisions. So let's say if I'm going for this job, I should have proof, I should have confidence, I should have real case studies to tell them that, okay, look, this is what I've done with live project, this is how I have analyzed data, and these are my some recommendations, and these are some results. So you're going to make it happen. So what I want is I want every one of you to pay attention to not just only running ads, but focusing on analytics part as well, focusing on results, recommendations, optimizations. And when I talk about optimizations, there are a lot of things which are associated with optimization, straight from audience optimization to creative to placement or behavioral. So a lot of things we'll be looking at. So, and then what exactly they're also looking for is you should be good with Google Ads and Bing. Now keep in mind, if you have a good edge on Google Ads, you can work on Bing as well. Probably I'll teach you how you're gonna get extra mileage on Bing as well, because one thing is very important, in our country, a lot of people, they use Google Ads, but Bing, there are a lot of reasons we can get into Bing, especially when it comes to PPC. So think of an example when someone is searching for your business on Google, because Google is very popular, having maximum market share. We do also have a Bing, so a lot of people, they also use Bing, right? So I don't mind if I'm getting a lead if someone is searching on Bing as well. So probably Bing is also, we need to look into it. Maintain partnership with PPC ad platforms and vendors. We find a lot of vendors who actually helps us to plan our campaign and to buy media across all platforms. For example, what if IPL is coming? What if you can start working with vendors who can give you some good options, right? On Hotstar, right? So this is important. So vendors, we do have a lot of vendors. Find ways to reduce risk of click fraud. This is again very important, because when big money is involved in PPC, it's very important to analyze fraud analysis as well. So there are a lot of different kind of fraud. You can see keeping a trend of PPC in same trends and monitor budget and adjust bids to get a better result on investment. So ROI and ROS. This is important. You can see when I'm searching for PPC, I'm also seeing a performance marketing. We spoke about this in my last videos. Digital marketing, but you're going to have a lot of opportunities in PPC also. You can see this is PPC, SEM. Let's check this. This is coming from Mouser Electronics, 1,000 to 5,000 employees, right? So this can be in my dream list. So let us check e-commerce business knowledge. You should know e-com business. You should know Shopify platform. You should know A/B testing. You should know, let's check, you should know pay-per-click accounts on Google, Yahoo, and Bing. So you can see performance through continuous testing. You should know what kind of testing you can done if big amount is involved. Because I'll tell you, big company, they spend a lot, right? So when you spend a lot, it's not only about spending, it's also about optimizing as well, which is really very important. So you can see that you can go through all this. You can say non-verbal communication. Okay, verbal, you should be good with speaking skills. Verbal and non-verbal skills. You should be good with strong analytical problem solving, negotiation. Find soft skills are as important as technical skills. Experience with ability to set goal and track. This is important. But keep this in mind. They're looking for someone 2+ years. Now you can see what all things people look for. We have seen a lot of JDs. What I want every one of you to go through all these JDs and just try to find a dream job, right? And what you do is find a dream job, get it, create a poster out of it, put some logo, and then put it in front of you, so that every morning when you get up, you always say, okay, these are the companies that I want to target after 3 months or 5 months or 6 months, but I should be better at my work. Keep this in mind, because see, we are talking about not to just get a job, but how to get a good job in a good company with good package, right? So we need to prepare ourselves holistically as well. This is important. You can see, you can go to digital marketing associated strategy. These are a combination of all the activities straight from social media, or Facebook or LinkedIn, Twitter, organic, SEO, blog, content marketing. So a lot of things can be done. Lot of openings, lot of openings. I think LinkedIn is having a lot of openings. Probably we can go to we can go to Indeed also. We can go to Naukri also. We can find lot of jobs. You see that this is Uplers is also hiring. I do have a lot of students working with Uplers. Very good salary, 1,70,000 rupees a month. Nice salary. This is happening for 3+ years. So think of opportunity you can have right after 4 years. So opportunity is tremendous when you have skill sets, when you have right mindset, when preparation meets opportunity, you can crack that opportunity. And this is important. Let's convert this opportunity. So you should be happy, when you're seeing all these things. So when I see this, I see, okay, these jobs are meant for me. And the question that I should be asking is, how much really effort I want to put into it? What commitment level? So commitment is so important, right? So we'll talk about a lot of things so that you'll be consistent. You'll be showing your, a full commitment to this course, because it's not about just enrolling in a course. It's all about a lifetime. And the skills that you'll achieve here will help you to move ahead in your life, which is really very important. And best part is we do have a lot of use cases, projects, internships, which will take the ball to a next level. Thank you so much. Make your dream list. So what I want is, I want everyone to make at least 10, do some activities, see what kind of skill sets they require. No matter, even if you're starting with digital marketing or performance marketing, just go through it, see the requirement, so that you'll get these words into your head that, okay, I am looking for such kind of job. And then when we start training, you can easily find, which area you want to get into it. So probably you might want to get into social media, or you might want to get into search engine optimization. So this is so important.